everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Podcast, where learning English feels like hanging out with friends.
Exactly. And if this is your first time here, hey, welcome. I'm Mikkel.
And I'm Anna. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps more learners find us.
Yeah, give that little thumbs up some love. It's free cardio for your finger.
I love that. All right, Mikkel, what are we talking about today?
Oh, today's a big one. We're talking about how to stop translating in your head when speaking English.
Yes, the classic brain gym workout. English to your language, back to English. By the time you're done, the conversation's gone.
Exactly. Someone says, hey, how are you? And you're like, processing. Please wait, translation loading.
Yes, and when you finally answer, they're already talking about pizza.
And you miss the pizza conversation, the worst kind of tragedy.
That's so true. Okay, but seriously, why does this happen?
Well, because your brain is still using your first language as the middleman. It's like sending every English word on a road trip before it reaches your mouth.
So our goal is to build a direct road. English straight to speaking, no stops, no tolls.
Exactly. A fast lane from brain to mouth. No translation needed.
And don't worry, we've got 5 super easy tips to help you start thinking in English naturally. All right, tip 1, start small, really small.
Start with single words. Look around you right now. What do you see?
I see a desk, a lamp, and a coffee mug that's definitely empty.
Priorities, Mikkel. But yes, when you look at your mug, don't think of the word in your language. Just think mug.
So direct link. I see the object, my brain says the English word, done.
Exactly. You're labeling your world in English. You're basically your own English labeling machine.
Table, chair, coffee, sleep.
I love it. Just 5 minutes a day of naming things in English, and your brain starts rewiring automatically.
All right, tip 2, use pictures, not translations. Mikkel.
Oh, pictures, especially funny ones, like a cat wearing sunglasses.
Exactly. You can make flashcards. On one side, a picture of the sun, on the other, the word sun.
So I look at the picture and my brain instantly thinks sun, no translation.
Right, pictures are universal. You don't need to think in your language. Just see it and say it in English.
And you can make it fun, like a 1-minute challenge. How many pictures can you name?
I'd win that one for sure.
Excuse me, I'm fluent in banana, cat, and pizza.
Impressive vocabulary, sir. All right, tip 3, think in simple sentences.
I am happy. I am tired. I am hungry.
Yes, feel the emotion and say the English phrase right away.
I am hungry. That's my favorite sentence.
Mine too. The key is don't stop to translate. Feel, think English, speak.
Direct connection. Brain highway. No detours.
You got it. And you can even do it for actions. I open the door. I sit down. I drink water.
I talk to Anna. Anna laughs at me again.
See, you're already doing it. Narrate your life in English. It's surprisingly fun. All right, tip 4, watch and listen to simple English.
This one's my favorite. Watch and listen to easy English.
Like this podcast.
Of course. But also cartoons, kids shows, and simple songs.
Head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
And brain learning English.
Exactly. Because cartoons and songs connect what you see and hear instantly.
No time to translate. You just understand from the context.
And the bonus is you have fun while learning. No boring grammar drills. Oh, okay. Last but super important, be patient.
Thinking in English is like learning to walk. You'll fall, wobble, laugh, but you'll get there.
Don't get upset when you translate sometimes. Just notice it. and try again.
Yeah, don't say, I'm bad at English. Say, oops, I translated. Let me try the English way.
Exactly. Progress, not perfection. Every time you think one English word without translating, that's a win.
A little victory every day.
And remember, mistakes aren't bad. They're your teachers.
Then I must be, very educated.
Me too. All right, quick review. Ready?
Let's go.
Tip 1, start small with single words.
Tip 2, use pictures.
Tip 3, think in simple sentences.
Tip 4, watch and listen to simple English.
And tip 5, be patient and kind to yourself.
Because every little step counts.
Thank you so much for listening, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and tell us in the comments what's one thing you can see right now.
Yes. Type it in English. Pen, window, cat, pizza. We can't wait to read your answers.
Especially if it's pizza.
Always pizza.
All right, see you next time, friends. Keep learning, keep smiling, and remember, English is easier than you think.
And more fun when you don't translate every word.
Welcome back, everyone. Still with us? Awesome, because we're not done helping you stop translating in your head.
Oh no, we're just getting started. If your brain's tired, give it a stretch. It's English workout time.
That's right. Let's warm up those brain muscles. Now, in the first part, we talked about how translating slows you down and how to build a direct connection to English.
Yeah, we have some great tips. Start small, use pictures, think in simple sentences, watch cartoons, and be patient.
Exactly. But now let's go a little deeper. Let's talk about how to train your brain to actually switch into English mode every day.
Ooh, English mode. Sounds like a secret power, like activate English mode.
Yes, and suddenly you start thinking, talking, and even dreaming in English.
Wait, dreaming in English? Does that mean I'll start dreaming about grammar tests?
Hopefully not. Maybe just dreams where everyone speaks English, even your cat.
Meow becomes good morning human.
Exactly. But seriously, English mode is all about setting the right environment for your brain. Tip 6. Surround yourself with English.
So you're saying, make English part of my daily life, right?
Exactly. Change your phone language to English, watch YouTube in English, even follow English-speaking creators online.
But then I'll have to read my alarm message in English. Wake up, lazy McGill.
Perfect English practice. Seriously though, it works. When you surround yourself with English, your brain starts recognizing it as normal.
So it's like training your brain to feel comfortable in English. No panic, no pressure.
Exactly. You stop translating because English becomes familiar territory. Tip 7. Talk to yourself. Yes, really.
Okay, now this one sounds funny. Talk to myself. People will think I'm crazy.
Let them. Talking to yourself in English is one of the best ways to train fluency.
So like, hello, Mikkel. How are you today? I'm great, Mikkel. Thanks for asking.
Yes, but do it about real things. Describe what you're doing. I'm making coffee. I'm going to work.
Ah, so I'm narrating my day like a movie voiceover.
Exactly. Your life, but in English. You're reinforcing that direct connection, thoughts to English words.
I like it. Mikkel, the English journey. Coming soon to a podcast near you.
I totally watch that. Tip 8. Practice thinking in English with scenarios.
Here's another fun trick. Imagine conversations in your head.
Like, what kind of conversations?
Everyday ones. Pretend you're ordering food, asking for directions, or introducing yourself to someone new.
Hi, I'd like a coffee, please. And maybe a giant cookie.
Ha 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 ha. See? Perfect practice. You don't need real people to train your brain. Imagination works too.
And no one will correct my cookie order, which is the best part.
Exactly. The more you think in English, the more natural it feels. It becomes automatic, like muscle memory.
So instead of translating, my brain just picks English words naturally, like instinct.
Yes, that's exactly how fluent speakers think. They don't translate, they connect.
Tip 9. Use English for fun things.
Okay, now what about people who feel bored studying English?
Then stop studying and start living English. Use it for things you enjoy.
Like watching cooking videos in English or reading about football.
Yes, or singing along to English songs or watching travel vlogs.
Learning doesn't have to be serious. It can be fun.
So you're saying if I watch cat videos in English, it's studying?
Yes, you're officially improving your listening skills.
I love this method already. Finally a teacher who tells me to watch cat videos.
You're welcome. The point is, when English becomes part of the things you already enjoy, you stop thinking of it as study. It just becomes life.
Deep Thoughts with Anna. That should be a segment.
Maybe next episode, but for now, thank you so much for joining us again.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, what's your favorite English word today?
Yes, write just one English word you thought of without translating. Let's see those answers.
And if it's coffee, you're officially part of my team.
I'm Team Cat. Thank you very much.
Same here. Cats and coffee forever. Welcome back, everyone. If you've made it to part 3, that means you're serious about thinking in English, and we love that energy.
Yeah, you're basically part of the No More Translating Club. We should make t-shirts.
I think in English, sometimes.
Perfect tagline. But really, today's episode is going to be super fun. We're doing interactive practice.
Yes, it's time to test your brain with real mini games and challenges. So grab your tea, your coffee, or your imaginary cat, and let's start. Target, Game 1, the Fast Word Challenge. Okay, Mikkel, I'll say an object, and you have to respond instantly with the English word. No thinking, no translating. Ready?
Bring it on.
Apple.
Apple. Easy.
Chair.
Chair.
Coffee.
My best friend.
Dog.
Woof. Oh, sorry. Dog.
I love it. Listeners, your turn. I'll say a few. Say the English word out loud right now. Ready?
Okay, you at home, play with us. No pausing, no translating, just speak.
Banana. House. Car. Sun. Pen.
And if you said banana with too much passion, we totally understand.
That's the spirit. The goal is to make your brain react instantly in English. No middle language. Puzzle. Game 2. The feelings match. Now we'll connect emotions directly to English. I'll describe a situation, and Mikkel will tell us the feeling all in English.
Oh boy, this could get emotional.
Okay, here we go. You just finished all your work and have nothing left to do.
I feel free.
Perfect. You dropped your ice cream on the floor.
I feel heartbroken.
That's a little dramatic, but okay. You're about to eat your favorite pizza.
I feel amazing.
Great. And that's how you do it, everyone. Feel to English word. Don't stop to translate, just react.
Yeah, emotions are powerful teachers. If you feel something and name it in English, your brain remembers it better.
Mini conversation role play. Okay, let's try a short dialogue. Listeners, repeat after us. Ready?
Role play time?
You meet someone new. I'll be the stranger, you be you.
My favorite role.
Hi, nice to meet you. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Miko. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
Oh, cool. Do you like learning English?
Yes, I love it.
Perfect. Now you, listeners, try saying it with us. Don't read, don't translate, just listen and repeat.
That's right. Repetition builds fluency. Even 5 minutes a day of speaking out loud makes a huge difference.
The imagination challenge.
Okay, let's do something creative now. The imagination challenge.
Sounds mysterious. What do I have to imagine?
Imagine you're walking through your house. As you walk, name everything you see in English.
Door, chair, table, light, cat, angry cat.
That's the one that knocks things over.
Yes, that one. This is great for listeners too. You can do it anywhere. Your kitchen, your room, even the Gus. Just look around and name what you see in English.
And if someone gives you a weird look, just smile and say, I'm learning English.
Exactly. Confidence is part of fluency. Sing it in English.
Oh no, are we singing now?
Yes, music helps your brain learn patterns faster.
Okay, but only if you start, Anna.
Fine, let's pick something easy, like the days of the week. Ready? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That was terrible, but effective.
Yeah, because your brain remembers melody and rhythm. Singing in English locks words into memory.
Challenge: 1 minute English brain warm-up. Okay, last challenge, and it's for everyone listening.
The 1 minute English brain warm-up?
Yes, for the next 60 seconds, think only in English, no translating. Whatever you see, feel, or do, describe it in English in your head.
Like I'm sitting, I'm listening, I'm learning.
Exactly. You can even whisper it if you want. The goal is to make your brain think English first.
Yeah, it's like meditation, but in English.
I love that. English meditation.
New trend alert.
All right, ready everyone? Your minute starts now. Okay. And time. How was that? Did your brain feel the English flow?
That's what practice feels like. Short, simple, powerful. Final thoughts? You know, Anna, the more we talk about this, the more I realize it's not about perfect grammar. It's about connection.
Exactly. The goal isn't to think like a dictionary, it's to think like you, but in English.
I love that. Your personality, your humor, your emotions, all in English.
That's true fluency. Not just speaking English, but living it.
So everyone listening, be proud of every small step you take. You're already building that direct connection.
And remember, no translating, no fear, just progress.
And maybe a little pizza motivation.
Always.
All right. Thank you for listening to part 3 of Mr. English Podcast.
We'll see you next time for more fun lessons, laughter, and English you can actually use.
Bye, everyone.